Apple has just become another victim of storage and memory crisis, as the company has increased prices for its various products. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Apple has raised the price of a number of MacBook and iPad models after Tim Cook recently warning that the company can no longer escape the memory crunch. As reported by Reuters, Apple's newest laptop, the entry-level MacBook Neo, which was marketed as budget-friendly, is getting a $100 hike from $599 to $699. Similarly, rest of the devices are also getting a new, more expensive price tag, which includes iPad costing $449 with a $100 price hike. iPad mini also went up $100 to become $599. The 11-inch iPad Air got $150 up, whereas 13-inch iPad Air, 11-inch iPad Pro, 13-inch iPad, 13-inch MacBook Air, iMac, and 15-inch MacBook Air were increased $200. M5, MacBook Pro, and M5 Pro MacBook Pro now cost $300 more, whereas M4 Mac Studio and M5 Max MacBook Pro saw an increase of $500. But the worst of all, M3 Ultra Mac Studio even crossed the $1,000 threshold and now costs $5,299 with an increase of $1,300. Fortunately, there are no changes to iPhone prices so far, but other product categories are also affected. The Apple TV 4K is now $199, up from $129 before, and the HomePod is $50 more expensive at $349. Meanwhile, the Vision Pro headset now costs $3,699, up from $3,499. The new prices are even visible on Apple's store page now. The memory shortage has left iPhones and Airpods from its shambles, and we don't know for how long the Apple can resist itself from hiking up the prices for these products as well. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.